Okay, welcome everyone. My name is Sachin Bangera and I am a Reiki Grandmaster. And today we are having this free introduction to Reiki. So I will explain what is Reiki and a lot of exciting information I will be sharing. And I've written more than 100 articles on Reiki, and I have also written this book called Reiki, the a gift from the universe. Because I believe that Reiki has been given to us, to humanity, as a gift, and it is God's gift. You can say it's a universe's gift to us because Reiki is a natural healing method. So, around 150 years back, Mikao Usui was a monk in Japan, and although this was the Reiki technique is very ancient and it is practiced in many of the monasteries, but it was limited to people who are monks. But Mikao Usui, what he did, he gave it to common people so that they can also heal themselves. It's a natural healing method. And today, if we see, then our society, so many people are suffering from many health problems, stress related problems, mental issues, stress, tension, depression, so many things. And Reiki is something which can really cure all these things: physical health issues, mental issues, relationship issues, uh, you know, emotional imbalance, hormonal imbalance, and anybody who wants to live a healthy life, they can live a healthy life by practicing Reiki. So that's why I think that it is a gift of God or gift of the universe, and for the modern man. So now it is required. And today Reiki is being practiced in every city in the world. So if you just go to Google and type Reiki and any name of any city, then you will find that Reiki has been practiced there. And I have also traveled to more than 10 countries. I've seen met Reiki masters or in different places. So you can download this book from nalandawellness.com. If you don't have it, you can just go to nalandawellness.com and download this book. You can it's for everyone. I just want to spread this awareness. It has a basic information about Reiki, and for those who don't know about it, they have a good idea about it. And if you type my name, uh, then you can also find many of my other articles. My name is Sachin Bangera. If you type my name and Reiki articles by Sachin Bangera, you can find many of my articles. Let me share a little bit about me and like how I started with Reiki. It was 20 years back, 21 years back, when I just completed my studies. At that time, my uncle had learned Reiki, and he said that it's a very good technique. So why don't you all also learn? So Reiki is something when you learn, you feel like your other family members also should learn. It really makes uh, you can actually feel it. So when you learn Reiki, you can feel the energy, you can feel changes happening in your mind, body. You become peaceful, calm. You get many health benefits. So he said that, and then a course was arranged in our house only. So myself, my cousins, my mother, all of us learned Reiki. Okay, the first level, and then the second, and then third, like that. We completed the three levels of Reiki, and uh, at that point of time, I had a migraine issue. Like, although that was not the reason for learning Reiki, but I was just curious, so I learned Reiki. But I had that migraine problem. So welcome, Mega. I was just sharing my story. So 20 years back, I was having this migraine issue, and Reiki I learned out of curiosity. But as I started to practice, I started to feel the benefit. And after some time, what happened is the migraine, which was lasting for 2 days, terrible headache and cold, and I could not do anything else. But uh, because of practice of Reiki, the migraine severity became less, and then the frequency also uh, started to become less. Sometimes it was happening like once in a month or once in twice in a month, but then it became once in 2 months, then once in 3 months, and like that uh, within a year I stopped having migraine headaches, and I stopped to take the medicines also because it was not required. I was told that I'll have to take medicine all my life because migraine is something, there is no cure in allopathy for migraine, right? You just have to take the medicines. But this was gone, and so I was so happy because anybody who has migraine will know okay, how painful it is, and it's such a terrible thing. So I was so happy, and I just felt at that time that if I can help in my lifetime, if I can help even 100 people in becoming free from migraine, which was my problem, then I'll be so happy. And so I would tell people about Reiki. I would share with everyone, okay, you can learn Reiki, it's a good thing, like that. And I would also offer healing to people. So anybody has any health issues or any stomach ache, headache, or any other issues, I was doing healing for them also. In this way, I became a better healer, and then after 5 years of practicing Reiki as a practitioner, then I became a Reiki master in 2005, and then I started to teach people. That time I was working in a multinational company as a training manager, and I was doing well. I was traveling all over India, sometimes outside India, and it was really nice. Uh, but then what happened is, like, I thought in the corporate world, if you're working, you have to really means some companies are very good. You get weekends, but some companies you have to really work very hard, long hours, etc. So in my last company, I was really working very hard, almost 7 days a week. It was very tough. Then I thought, okay, you should have more time for yourself, etc., etc. So then I started uh, a business in cosmetics, and along with my wife, and then that business grew, and it was running very successfully. So it was we were earning much more than my salary and my wife's salary combined. So then I thought, okay, now since I have my own business, then I don't have to work for somebody else and report every morning, and like work long hours, etc., etc. And I can do what I like to do, which is like meditation, relax, and teach other people, right? So that is what my lifestyle I want, and I wanted to learn new things, attend workshops, conduct workshops. This is what I like to do. So then I once I started the business and it was doing fine, so then I uh, stopped working, and then I started to focus on my own business, and I had more time to do my spiritual practice. I have more time for meditation, more time for myself, more time for my family, and whenever I want to take a holiday, I can take a holiday and work on my own pace. So now, even before the lockdown, we were working from home only. Most of the time, we were working from home, and we have an office in Mumbai. But we travel a lot. We because of lockdown, our travel has been restricted, but otherwise we travel. And uh, so that's how my lifestyle has changed because of Reiki. I think it's all because of Reiki, because after a certain point of time, uh, what I wanted, the kind of life I wanted, that kind of life I started to live. You know, having abundance, and also abundance of money, having abundance of time also, and doing what you love to do. This is my lifestyle. Okay, so and Reiki has been really helpful in this. So now my I developed this. We have a Reiki center called Nalanda Reiki Center, and now uh, we have many of my students are now teachers, right? So now collectively we are doing under the banner work, doing this work of spreading Reiki and other natural healing methods under the banner of Nalanda Wellness. Okay. So what is our vision? Vision of all my students who are teachers, Reiki masters, Reiki grandmasters. So we are more than 25 of us. Our vision is to have a world where everyone can heal themselves uh, naturally. You can heal yourself naturally. If something happens to you, you can heal yourself, right? That is the world that I am seeing. And you can heal other people also. So if something happens to anybody in your family, you can heal them naturally with the help of Reiki, with the help of acupressure, or mudra therapy, etc., etc. So our mission is to spread Reiki and other natural healing methods all over the world. And I have students in many countries, and many of our teachers are in different countries. We have teachers in uh, like many other countries like US, Canada, uh, Iran, and many such countries. Okay, so the mission is to spread Reiki and other natural healing methods all over the world. So in life, we should have some mission, some vision, and some mission. And so we all are working on this. And if you resonate with this vision and mission, you can also work with us in spreading natural healing methods. There is nothing wrong if there is some emergency, if you go to a hospital for treatment, nothing wrong in that. But if what if you can do it naturally, and what if you can do preventive healthcare? Means you don't have you live such a life, and you heal yourself regularly, so that you don't have to go to any hospital, or you don't have any lifestyle disease like diabetes, etc. Okay, that is the vision and mission. So how many of you resonate with this? Like, you like this vision and mission. You feel that yes, this is something that I also like, and I would like to contribute. Just type in the chat box resonate if you feel like this is something good. uh, like this group of people who are working on this vision and mission, uh, it's nice. Or if you like to appreciate, then just type in the chat box. It will be very encouraging. And our purpose, therefore, is to train and develop powerful healers. We want to develop and train healers. So how many of you want to become a healer, so that you can heal yourself, family members? Like, for example, I'll tell you, one of my student recently, something happened to her child, and 1 year old baby, and they could not understand, so they went to the hospital. So they were on the way in their car, and because she had learned Reiki, she started to give Reiki. And by giving Reiki, the child became normal. His breathing became normal and stopped crying, and whatever the symptoms were there uh, disappeared. This is what we are talking. And you know after consulting the doctor, he says nothing is, no problem, everything is fine. So, this is the kind of powerful healer you can become. So Kiran wants to become a powerful healer. Neha also wants to become powerful healer. Yeah. So if you want to become a powerful healer, it's a journey. uh, you can join this 3 months. It's a 3-month journey where you go through various training programs. You learn Reiki and other techniques, and it can be little more also, but it starts with the 3-month basic uh, course, which teaches you various techniques. Then once you complete this and you are able to heal other people effectively, and if you are able to do, then we also give you a award of a powerful healer award. So once you do 5 cases, documented cases, then we give you this award. And that means that you are now like a powerful healer, right? So once you do that, then you are also eligible to become a teacher. So anybody who wants to become a teacher in Nalanda Wellness, they have to become a powerful healer, qualify for that award, and then you can become a teacher. Okay. So that's how this works. So today, what I'm going to share with you, I will share uh, quite a bit about Reiki, what is Reiki, and how does it work, etc., and the natural healing methods, that other natural healing methods what we are teaching. So I'll tell you about this 3-month course, what it covers, what are the things you will learn, etc. And also I will give you an opportunity to become a part of this course, join this course. Okay, so that you can become a powerful healer. Okay. So this is good for anybody who wants to live a healthy life. So how many of you want to live a long and healthy life? Many times people earn a lot of money during their lifetime, but as the money increases in the bank, their health condition is decreasing, and they also start to have lifestyle diseases. So lifestyle diseases they start to have, and then how can you enjoy? If you have diabetes, you can't eat everything. And if you have too much of weight, or kidney problem, or a back problem, or this problem, that problem, then how can you enjoy life? You cannot enjoy life completely. And at the same time, uh, when you get old, and if you have learned some meditation techniques, then you can also get happiness is derived not only from eating ice cream or pizza or anything like that, and or having uh, through the physical senses. The happiness is also through, there is something called inner happiness, which cannot be purchased through things or experiences external, in the external world. It's like inner happiness which is without cause, and it's constant, never ending happiness. So that also, once you access that, now you become very peaceful. So that is what you need. Otherwise, many people, as they get old, they have too much of thoughts, and that peace, balance, mental balance, peace, calmness is not there, which should be there for those who are so what is Reiki? Reiki is a Japanese healing technique, a Japanese word which means spiritual energy. Rei means spiritual, Ki means energy. And this is the energy of the universe. It enters, you can, once you learn to access this, once you are attuned to this energy, then you can access this anytime. Anytime you can invoke this energy, and the energy enters your body, and you can feel it. You can feel the energy, and uh, you become thoughtless, you become calm. It has very, very positive effect on your mind and body. Okay, it balances our chakra system, and you start to feel more centered, more calm, more peaceful with this energy. Your organs are energized, and you start to feel more positive. It's a positive energy. You feel more optimistic, more hopeful, more your confidence increases. All these changes happen in yourself. Not only that, you become very good in your relationships. You are calm in difficult situations also, and you're calm and composed. So in this way, there are a lot of changes happen in your mind and body. Okay, and you can learn. Anybody can learn this. Anybody above the age of 12, 13 can learn, and it is a spiritual practice. And I have students from all religions. Everybody learns this, because this has nothing to do directly with any religion. It is spiritual practice, and we don't talk about any god or any goddess or anything. In this, the energy of the universe, God has created this universe, and the energy is also God's energy. So if you see, it is very spiritual. But we don't talk about any particular religion in this. Okay. So everybody from every religion, they practice Reiki. I have students from all religions. Okay, all major religions have students, and they are very rigorously practicing, and they are feeling that it has helped them in their spiritual journey. Reiki has really helped them in their spiritual journey. So, this is what Reiki is all about. Is so positive. You can help yourself. You can help other people also. It is like almost like a doctor, but we uh, we we recommend anybody who is having any health issues, they should consult a doctor and take medicines regularly, and at the same time they can practice Reiki also. And we have seen that when somebody who has any health issues, when they practice Reiki, they get better faster. And that's why in America and Canada, you will find in hospitals also there are Reiki practitioners available, and those who want healing, they can take healing, right? And if you many people learn Reiki, and when they go to other countries, they find that there is a lot of demand there, and they can also start a part-time clinic where they can work part-time, or they can work at a Reiki center somewhere, or in hospitals they can work as a Reiki practitioner, Reiki healer. So these are all opportunities are coming. Okay, it brings harmony in life. Stress is gone. You start to live with nature. You start to, like um, make some lifestyle changes which are helpful and healthy for you. So this is what Reiki teaches us. And it has effects at all levels: physical level also, at mental level also, at emotional level also, and spiritual level also. All At all levels it helps, and you become very calm and peaceful. And you know self realization also happens. So, like, one of our students, we are having a chakra meditation course, 21 days chakra meditation course. Today is the 8th day, and today it's a morning we do this workshop. So she was sharing today that she had experience while doing meditation, where she could feel that she has she's different, the body is different, and the soul is different, and there is a difference between the body and the soul. And it was an experiential thing, right? So many people get such spiritual experiences uh, in the courses that we do. And that's how, like, people grow spiritually. And you know what, this body is going to be destroyed at some point of time. What is there, whatever you learn in the spiritual world, whatever, like, like Reiki and all these things, what you learn, and when you do meditation, the experience that you get, that comes with you, and all other experiences are destroyed. It is all gone at the end of life, right? So Reiki is something which helps your soul in progressing in the spiritual path, and it is a powerful practice, which is coming from, uh, you know uh, the monasteries where the monks are meditating for so many years, so many since so many thousands of years, monks have been meditating, and these techniques have been developed by them, and it's a powerful healing technique which is now available to everyone, anyone who wants it, right? All over the world it's available, and I have students from all over the world. People are learning, and I'm teaching this face to face, the way right now we are talking, even before the lockdown happened, because it is something, uh, like, you need practical guidance, so you need a teacher who can guide you. And uh, if we can see each other, and if we can talk like this, you can easily learn, you can ask questions. And we have a system where once you become a student, then we have regular programs for old students also, so that your continuous learning and development is is on. Okay. And you keep learning new things, and any doubts, anything you have in mind, even after completing your 3-month course, you can still contact, and still you can ask questions, etc. So Reiki is very very helpful. It Many people have sleeping problems, like we have students who go once they learn Reiki. Say I have a student whose mother has had a problem of insomnia. She could not sleep for 2 hours. It takes her 2 hours to get sleep. But after learning Reiki, he went and he did healing for his mother. And on the first day itself, she immediately in 15 minutes she went to sleep, and then directly woke up in the next day in morning, and she was so fine. So in this way you can help your parents, you can help your loved ones, you can help other relatives, family members, even strangers. Once I was traveling by train, and somebody was like, something happened, and I'm not a doctor, but there was no doctor in the compartment. It was a long distance train. So I just went there. I told him, if I know Reiki. If you want, I can give Reiki. He said, okay, fine. I just kept my hand, because his breathing was very heavy. He was feeling uneasy, sweating. I just kept my hand on his one hand on his chest and one hand backside, like that. And I just kept for 15 minutes, and his breathing became normal. His breathing became normal, and, like, all the symptoms disappeared. In a moving train, I could help a stranger with this, and I have no knowledge about anything like that, anything to do with medicine, right? But I could help this person by just by keeping my hand. He was fine in 15 minutes. He was fine. In this, there are many hundreds of cases like this, and I've done distance healing also. I do regularly. I do healing to clients who are in different cities. Other than this, I have done healing, distance healing, in court cases, in relationship issues, in health issues. In During this Corona times, I have done healing for many people who have been in the ICU. There was one person who was in ICU for 10 days, and after we started healing, there was a lot of improvement. And once he came out of ICU, he called me, and he said that, I had given hope. I thought that I will never come back now. And But when my friend told me that somebody's doing healing, Reiki healing, and I could feel the difference, and then I gained that confidence, and somewhere I felt that I will be safe now. And then slowly he recovered, and they came out, and they were sharing this on a phone call. Okay, and this is what is possible. So there is nothing miracle in this, it is just science. Okay, anywhere where there is imbalance of energy, the organs will not function properly. So when you charge the organs and glands and the chakras, the energy level which is required is there, and then it is functioning properly. So this is the, secret of Reiki. Reiki energizes your organs, your chakras, your glands. Reiki is the energy. It's a powerful, pure, positive energy. And when Reiki is given to you, you feel charged. Okay. So Reiki is normally, in the first level it is done by touch, and in second level you can do distance healing, and third level you can do very difficult problems also you can solve. These are, there are three levels in Reiki. So I'll talk about that also. So it creates a wonderful family, really, mm, comfort in the family. I have students who had a lot of family problems, and by practicing Reiki and some of the techniques, the family problems got resolved. Uh, Fights stopped happening in the family, quarrels stopped happening, arguments stopped happening. They become peaceful like that. Anyone who has health issues can also, has seen. I have many students who have recovered from asthma, uh, high blood pressure, and diabetes, and many things. In my own grandmother also, she's 84 right now. When 20 years back when we learned, she also learned at that time. Yes, and by practicing Reiki, after 5 years, in 2000 by 2005, she had recovered from diabetes. She stopped taking medicine from diabetes. She now she eats everything. Even now, eh, at the age of 84, there is no diet restrictions. Just imagine, isn't it wonderful? Type wonderful in the chat box if you think somebody who's 84, besides the knees, you can say, gives her some trouble, but otherwise she's healthy. So wouldn't you like to have a healthy life, and instead of instead of dying in some hospital in a ICU, uh, like I want to see, I I want to have a natural death where I'm dying in a state of samadhi, right? I'm relaxed, I'm fine, there is no health issues. I know that, I'm going to die soon, and I'm there, I'm prepared, I can come out of this body peacefully without any problem. And, that is, like that is what is possible. We have heard many people who have a healthy life, and they don't die, they don't die miserable death. They die peacefully, very calmly. So that is what is possible when you live a spiritual life, when you have a healthy spiritual life. Okay. So so basically, this is what it's all about. It's become this. This is a course, 3 month course, where you become a powerful healer. And so what I thought is, uh, I teach. I Many people come and say, I've written so many articles. So many people who want to learn Reiki, who sometimes people read books on Reiki and then they come to learn. Okay, I want to learn this technique. I read this book. I really like the concept. Now I want to learn it practically. So many people come and learn, and then uh, because I teach so many other courses, so I teach mudra therapy. I teach switch words. I teach Vipassana, I teach chakra meditation, I teach so many other past life regression, inner child healing, and many things. So I have mind power workshop I conduct. So I do many other workshops. So many times students also learn other things. So out of my experience of last 15 years of teaching Reiki, I have feel yes. So Mega, you can ask me like in a specific question. I'm going to share more about Reiki, uh, but if you have any questions, you can ask me also. So yes, I will be sharing more about Reiki still. So there are some things which students learn, and which has been very helpful in making them a powerful healer. All those who have uh, achieved that powerful healer award, they are people who are have learned multiple techniques, and it has helped them. So when you learn multiple techniques, you can use many techniques to help yourself and others also. So in the Reiki system, there are three levels. Okay, there are three levels. The uh, first level is about healing yourself and others. Healing yourself and others with hands-on healing. Okay, with your hands, you can keep your hands-on healing. Okay, suppose somebody has any back problem, you can keep your hand like this for 5-10 minutes, and that back problem is shoulder problem or stiff neck is relieved. This course, normally the fees, if you do it separately, it's 3,000 rupees. So I'm going to share with you later a package, so that you don't spend too much money and you learn more, you get more value for money. Okay, so but I'm telling you what are the separately also, what are the charges. So if anyone wants to do separately, they can do separately also. Normally we do this on a Saturday. Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So this is the time for this course. Okay, so every Saturday we have a new batch uh, of this Reiki course. Okay, level 1 course. Anytime you can join. And every week then we have follow up sessions, so that you can ask questions, and and we can answer the questions, etc. Then you have the second level of Reiki. In this you learn how to do distance healing. You can heal somebody who is in another city, like you can heal somebody who is in a different city also. You don't need to touch. You just suppose somebody, like I have a student who's in US, and her mother is in Mumbai, and she's also senior citizen. So whenever she has some problem, she does healing for them. So currently I am doing healing for somebody who is in Delhi, and I am here, but she's in Delhi. I'm doing healing for her. And in this way you can do healing for anybody at a distance, and any issue, any physical, mental, emotional issue, you can do healing. Even relationship issues, you can do healing. So currently I'm also doing healing for a couple who has some relationship problems. So that you can do. So this is what you can do as a Reiki second degree practitioner. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you can do distance healing. So what else you can do? You can do distance healing. You can do healing at an emotional level. It might be some problem of too much of anger, or too much of grief, or any other fear, any other emotional issue, or relationship issue, or mental healing, like attitude problem, or ego problem, jealousy, etc. Or it might be too much of stress, tension, pressure, anxiety, all these mental healing issues. Or also you can do healing for the future. For example, if you're going for an interview or an important meeting, you can heal that event in advance. So normally we do this course on Sunday again this, and then there are follow-up sessions also. So there are follow-up sessions, so where you can get your questions answered and learn more about it and master the technique. Okay, so our thing is that we don't leave our students once they learn something. We keep on teaching them, uh, help them improve their skills till they become a powerful healer. Do you remember I told you in the beginning the purpose of Nalanda Wellness is to create powerful healers and powerful teachers. So that's why we have a lot of ongoing follow-up sessions where people keep learning. Okay. Then we have third level. In third level, there are you can you learn how to heal stubborn issues of life. Stubborn issues of life, which has to do with your karma. Your karma can be released, negative karma can be released, spiritual growth can happen. You can become aligned to your life purpose, your more ease and ease. I'll tell you what kind of things happen. Like recently, 2 months back, there was one student who did uh, completed level 3 course. What happened in the next 2 months? I'll tell you. Very interesting. Ac- she actually she was in too much of trouble when she came to learn Reiki, because she was going through a divorce, and when she was very, in a bad state of affairs. Okay, but Reiki helped her to gain that balance, to get rid of the stress because of that separation. There was a lot of stress, emotional hurt, etc., etc. So when she learned Reiki level 1 2, it helped her in that. And then she completed her level 3. She became a she started doing healing, etc., etc. And many things started to shift in her job. She got better increment, and better roles, responsibility, recognition. Many things happened that period. Also, she found somebody uh, whom she really liked, and she found that the ideal partner that she was looking for. She found that person. That divorce court case also got settled, and it happened. So that was a closure on that end, and a new relationship which was unexpected, and a very good family. She got that. And right now, they are discussing all those possibilities, and working towards that new relationship. So in this way, stubborn issues of life get resolved, and some new openings start to happen. So many people I've seen, they change their jobs, or even some people I've seen, some of my students have also changed their profession. There have been students who have who are working earlier, and they have started a business, and it happened to me also. So many things shift when you do the third level course. Okay, so in this course there are many things, like healing past karma, healing your even your stars. You can heal. You can heal earth. You can do spiritual healing. You can do heal big groups. uh, you know all these things you can do. And again, this is on a Sunday, and then there are follow-up sessions. Once you complete this, there are follow-up sessions also, so that every month we have a follow-up session for each of the levels. Okay, so this is the all the Reiki courses. Then in the powerful healer program, we have three other courses which we are giving as a bonus. Okay, So the first course is uh, mudra therapy. So there are approximately 10 sessions. Maybe there may be more also. So at least ten sessions are there. So in this you become a practitioner of mudra therapy. Okay, and once you complete this, you can actually give recommendation to anyone. You can do a consultation to anybody. uh, you can also do it professionally if you wish, and you can consult people, and you can, like, give them recommendation. So you can do a half an hour consultation, understand their problem, and then give them a recommendation, okay, what they have to practice. And if they practice that, then their problems will be solved. So it takes some time, but they have to practice that. So in this way you can become a mudra therapy practitioner. But all this is very practical, so you have to learn everything practically. So it's a three it takes you know it takes approximately 3 months to complete this, because you will also learn everything practically, and you will experiment on yourself, on other people, and then gain experience, and then you will do this. So it's a once in a week session, is once in a week, 10 sessions, 10 session once in a week. Okay, once in a week. So this is what mudra therapy course is all about. Then we have switch words. Switch words is a 6-day course currently. It's a 6-day course. We might add days to it, but right now it's a technique by which you can access your subconscious mind directly, bypassing the conscious mind, and create create miracles in the area of money, relationship, health, and more than that also. Okay, many other things you can do, but a very interesting course, 6-day course, and every session is 1 hour, and it is worth worth it. Like, you can make a many people have made a lot of money also through this. Then, so this is the switchwords course, and then we have another very interesting course, getting answers in your dream. This is a technique by which you can, uh, ask a question, and before going to sleep, and when you wake up, you have an answer to that question. It can be a very pressing question of your life, very important decision when you want to make, or anything like that. Like, should I change this job, or should I get married to this person, or should I start this business? Should I do partnership with this person? And these kind of questions. Okay. So, this entire thing. So total value of this course is 36,000 if you add up all this thing. Now, what we are giving is, uh, since it's a entire package, we are giving this at a 50% discount, and so you have to pay only 18,000, and that too, you don't have to pay it upfront like 18,000. Uh, you can do 3 installments of 6,000. So there are 3 month, you can say 3 month course. So every month you pay 6,000 rupees, and you have to spend, a timing that you have to give is approximately 4 to 5 hours per week in learning, and daily 1 hour of practice. This is the time commitment. Okay, in terms of time commitment, this is what it is. So in my experience, many people normally do these courses separately, so I've made a package, so everybody, it is very cost effective, because we want to spread this to many people. right? We want to spread this to many people, so we have made it cost effective. 6,000 rupees per month comes to 200 rupees per day. So it's a lifelong. This is something that will remain with you for lifelong. So this is the course, and uh, so by the time you complete all these things, mudra therapy also is such a powerful thing. I'll tell you, I had a student who had some pain in the ear, okay, and like uh, he practiced one of the mudras which is very powerful when somebody has any problem with the ears. And by practicing that, the, the doctor had told him that we'll have to do some kind of minor surgery, but by practicing that, that pain stopped and the problem disappeared in 3 days. In 3 days, and he could avoid going for a surgery, okay. So you can see a lot of benefits, you can get. And in I would say the Decoding Dreams course is also wonderful. I i invest in shares also. So once I asked, like many times I do this, I ask, okay, what in which share should I invest now? And I got a dream, and in that dream I saw uh, it was Reliance. The answer came was Reliance in that dream, okay. The Reliance, that time the share price was 1000 rupees, and in 6 months it became 2000. So money double. So these courses are very helpful also in all areas of life, in also in making money, okay. But the main intention is not that. Main intention is your spiritual growth and helping other people, helping yourself. But it helps you in other areas of life also, including making money, okay, investing. So these are the things. And once you complete the course also, we have Reiki webinar for practitioners where we discuss in more in depth about many things. Many answer questions are answered and like that. There's lots to learn. There's lots to learn. We believe that it's a life is a continuous learning process. Do you agree with me? Type yes if you do. Okay, there's a lot to learn, and that's why we have a continuous learning program. So all the students, once you get your certificate, we don't leave you there. We keep doing webinars, we keep upgrading your knowledge. That's what keeps happening, okay. That's why so many students are there with me for so many years. uh, they told me that when they came to know about Reiki, when they contacted me, at that time they made a decision in their mind, okay, I want to do this course no matter what. Why? Because it is going to help me for the for long. And one student told me that he was anyway taking medicine for almost 2000 rupees was spent in medicine every month. And in his family, 2 3 people were always taking medicine, and the medical bill was huge. After learning, gradually their medical bill became less than half, and the savings is unlimited. Like, want to join this, and you want to do this course, and you want to learn this technique, and you're ready to give your time, effort and energy for the next 3 months, 4 to 5 hours in a week, so that you can learn this technique and become a powerful healer. If you're committed to learn this, I invite you to join this program and learn and benefit from this. Hundreds of students have learned, and you'll meet, once you join the program, you'll meet many other students who have really benefited, and you'll listen to their stories and everything. So if you're clear that yes, and if you have any questions, you can ask so that I can answer. So any questions, I'm ready to answer the questions also.